Lawrence Welk and the Champagne Music Makers, and a special spotlight on Bob Smale and Neil Levain. This next song sounds like a natural for a gentleman from Knoxville, Tennessee. Here's Jim Turner with Smoky Mountain Rain.
From my way from L.A. back to Knoxville, I found out those bright lights ain't where I belong. From a phone booth in the rain, I called to tell her I had a change of dreams. I'm coming home. Tears filled my eyes when I found out she was gone. Smoky Mountain rain keeps on falling. I keep on calling her name. Smoky Mountain rain, I'll keep on searching. Can't go on hurting this way. She's somewhere in the Smoky Mountain rain. I waved the diesel down outside a cafe. He said that he's gone as far as Gatlinburg. I climbed up in the cab, all wet, cold and lonely. I wiped my eyes, told him about her. I got to find her. Can you make these big wheels burn? Smoky Mountain rain keeps on falling. I keep on calling her name. Smoky Mountain rain, I'll keep on searching.